Okay, we're going to look at formatted string. Sometimes we call it as F string. So you will format the outputs with the string format, include maybe numeric values. Let me show you number. Let's say number 1 is 7. Normally we printed number 1. Okay, that's how we print. We have a 7. But sometimes we like to format it. For example, if you want to say number 2 is 5, print. Here you may like to say normally we use single, okay, number with one space is number 1. So you will say number 1 is a string value and then print the value 7. Okay, so if you're coming from C, maybe this is what you prefer to use, but in Python we can say number 1, we use a keyword here, F, formatted string F. Then you can use string value and no comma, we use string value, and then for number we call it as a placeholder using curly brackets or curly braces. So it does exactly the same if you learn it. Say from this quotation here on the closing, opening and closing, you will print it as a string value. But this placeholder is referring to value of number 1. So you may do things like this. Number 1, okay, as a string value times number 2, okay, is, you may say number 1, okay, actual value for the calculation number 2. So you will say just print the value 7, string value times, again referring to value 5 for number 2 is string value and the calculations, okay, 35 will appear as a string value. So 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, so if you go back to tutorial 19, look at this line, we can actually replace it if we have a print formatted string, okay, class average is all the way down to closing quotation, and then you can reverse the average here, placeholder. Okay, so let me try. So if we have 80, 90, 70, okay, sentinel value is -1. So we sum these three numbers and divide by 3. So that's why we have 80.0. So you can use formatted string here. I think that's all. Thank you.